Can an order of protection be dismissed if it wasn't served properly? This is a custody question. It's a big one, and it's a reply to a comment that actually came a couple months ago, but somebody just replied saying they wanted to know the answer for it. It's right here. So if you never signed anything or got the petition, is that order of protection even valid? And look, here's the truth of it. So in family law and custody cases, order of protections are acted upon very quickly. And because of this, oftentimes the person who's getting the protective order granted against them, probably you if you're watching this video, may not even be aware if they have an order of protection to not see their kids or be around somebody or some sort of restraining order, meaning you might not even know you were properly served. Now, if you didn't know you were properly served, then your due process could be compromised. But there's more to it than just this. So in theory, if you're not allowed due process, then your order of protection could be challenged or dismissed or any of these things. In theory, the courts are also strict about following certain procedures that are unique to each state and county. So if they skip these steps, it does matter. But again, this may not be the reality of what's gonna happen. So number one thing you gotta do is you've got to check the court record. You should ask for legal help. Now, of course, this could be attorneys. Attorneys cost a lot of money, but please use things like artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, Qwen, DeepSeek, Claude. Talk to legal assistants, paralegals, whoever you can about the right process of this, and of course, the county clerk. But the sad part about this is that this is a long process, and the legal process takes a long time. So that by the time that you can actually start arguing against this, you already have a protective order against you. The court's going to take action on that. You're going to lose a lot of your rights as a parent, and you may not be focusing on the right parts of the case that will get it dismissed or have this whole thing thrown out. And you know what? Maybe this is the thing that'll get it dismissed. Here's the thing. If you're in the family courts and you are in the family courts with a protective order against you, you have a serious issue. You're gonna have to realize you're fighting a case where it's an uphill battle and it's really difficult. One little loophole might get you out scot-free, but more than likely, it's not going to happen. And from what I have seen from guys in my group who've actually beaten this, which is usually unheard of, meaning a permanent protective order was granted, and actually got the court to admit they made a mistake. Small loopholes can be big deals, but don't get your hopes up about it because you're gonna have to work very hard at this. Now, if you're in this situation and you're a man, I would highly recommend getting in my groups because we will help you out. We just got done with our Thursday night therapy call for men who have situations like this, have to be reunited with their kids and all sorts of chaos that comes from that. This is hard. You can do it. You can beat it. It's a mental, it's a legal, it's an emotional game, and it's your future and it's your kids' future. Get all the help you can get. This is what I do. Check the link in my bio and stay strong, stay alive because your dad and your kids need you.